In this video, I'm going to show you how to use YouTube search filter in 2021. This works on both iOS and Android, so just follow my steps. First, you want to open up your YouTube app on your phone. Next step is click the magnifying glass in the top right. Search, for me, I'm going to search how to global. As you can see here, these are the search results for how to global. You now want to go to the YouTube search filter by clicking the three horizontal lines in the top right. There you go, we're now in the search filter. There are a bunch of options now. Search by, type, upload date, duration, and features. Let's go through them one by one. Let's go to sort by first. They're now sorted by relevancy. By clicking this arrow that points downwards on the right, you can change how your search results are sorted by. You can have relevance, upload date, view count, and rating. Upload date will be the latest uploaded video for this search term at the top, and view count would be the video that has the most views related to this keyword that you're searched for at the top. We can click view count so that I can show you that. As you can see here, it changed to the video that has the most views, which is 11 million. The next one is 4.8 and then 4.7. By clicking the horizontal lines, again, we're getting back to the search filter. We can go back to relevance. And now we're going to type. It's set to all at the moment, but you can see you can search for so that the search results are only going to be videos, only channels, only playlists, even movies and shows. I can click channel now, click apply, which will bring up my channel, as you can see here in the middle, how to global. There it is. Going back to the search filter and to upload date, you can say anytime. You can say I only want to see videos uploaded in the last hour, only today's videos, this week's videos, this month's videos, or videos uploaded this year. Next one would be duration, which is now set to any, so that any video duration will be displayed in the search result. You can say I only want to see short videos that are under 4 minutes long, or long videos that are above 20 minutes long. The last search filter option would be features. You can search for special tags like I only want to see live streams containing this keyword I search for, 4K videos, so the videos have to be in 4K or HD. They have to have subtitles. They have to be Creative Commons, so that reuse is allowed. 360 degrees, so these special videos where you can drag on the screen and it turns. VR videos, 3D, HDR in a special location, or purchased. If you've purchased YouTube Red, let's click on live, hit apply. There are no search results found because no one's live streaming anything containing how to global as a keyword. That's essentially how to use the YouTube search filter. Sort by type, upload date, duration, and features in YouTube app. If this video helped you out, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.